In 2025, a researcher hid a single instruction inside a public GitHub repository. No malware, no exploit code, just text. When a developer opened that repository with GitHub Copilot active, the AI read the hidden text, treated it as a command, and quietly handed an attacker full system access. That vulnerability was real. It was logged as CVE 2025-53773, CVSS score 9.6. Welcome to the new battlefield. Hackers are no longer attacking your software. They are attacking your AI. Here is the core problem. Traditional software has a clear line between code and user input. AI does not. An AI model reads everything you give it as language, and it cannot reliably tell the difference between an instruction from its owner and an instruction smuggled in from somewhere else. That single weakness is the doorway. Now let me show you what walks through it. 1. Prompt injection. This is the most common attack on Earth right now. An attacker writes a hidden command, sometimes inside an email, a web page, a PDF, or even in white-on-white text. When your AI reads that content, it follows the attacker's instructions instead of yours. In 2023, researchers tricked Bing Chat by hiding instructions in zero-point font on a web page. The AI obeyed perfectly. 2. Indirect prompt injection. This is the upgraded version. The attacker does not talk to your AI directly. They poison a document, a Jira ticket, a knowledge base, or a website. When your AI later reads that source, it gets compromised. The user never sees the attack. 3. Data poisoning. Attackers tamper with the data used to train or fine-tune a model. Slip a few thousand poisoned samples into a training set, and the model learns the wrong lesson. It might misclassify malware as safe. It might leak secrets when triggered by a specific phrase. It might fail silently for years. 4. Model theft. By querying an AI thousands of times, attackers can reconstruct its behavior, clone it, or extract sensitive training data, including private documents the model was trained on. 5. RAG poisoning. Most enterprise AI today uses something called Retrieval Augmented Generation. Your AI reads from your company's documents. If an attacker plants a malicious document in that source, every employee using that AI starts receiving poisoned answers. 6. MCP and agent attacks. Modern AI agents connect to tools, APIs, and live systems through something called the Model Context Protocol. In 2025, researchers documented zero-click remote code execution inside AI coding tools. The agent read a malicious file, followed hidden instructions, and ran attacker code without anyone clicking anything. 7. Output hijacking. Attackers force the AI to generate links, images, or commands that exfiltrate data. Microsoft patched one such attack, where an AI was tricked into rendering an image whose URL secretly carried the user's chat history to a server controlled by the attacker. Here is the truth. Most vendors will not tell you. You cannot fix this with prompts. You cannot fix it by asking the model nicely. You cannot fix it with a single product. AI security is architecture, not magic. Real defense looks like this. Layer 1. Trust boundaries. Treat every external input, every document, every web page, every email as untrusted. Never let it speak to your AI with the same authority as your system instructions. Layer 2. Output validation. Inspect what the AI says before it acts. If it tries to call a tool, send an email, or run code, that action must pass a separate security check. Layer 3. Least privilege. Give your AI agents the smallest possible set of permissions. If your customer service bot does not need access to payroll data, do not give it access to payroll data. Layer 4. Continuous red teaming. Hire people to attack your AI on a schedule, the same way you would penetration test a network. The OWASP Top 10 for Large Language Models gives you the exact attack list to test against. Layer 5. Monitor everything. Log every prompt, every tool call, every output. The attacks you catch in week 2 are the ones you would have missed for a year without telemetry. Here is the part most people miss. AI is not a product anymore. It is infrastructure. And every piece of infrastructure in human history that mattered eventually became a target. The companies that win the next decade will not be the ones with the smartest models. They will be the ones with the safest deployments.